Okay, mother, here we go. Let's start our journey for today. Na 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 na. Okay, mom. Now, I want you to follow me. Follow my lead. Watch your step. Just give one step out after another. Let's go slowly. Mom, just follow me. Oh my God, let me walk with Dad. Hi, Papa. You say it's almost 1.5 kilometers from here to what beach? Beach. Okay. La. So now we are going from Kudlu Beach to Beach. My parents say that it's almost 1.5 kilometers. That walk is too long. I don't know how my seconds soft. Oh, Papa, let's go and pose here. Okay, now Mommy's gonna want a picture. Papa, why did you do this? Okay, Mom, let's get it over quickly. Yeah, the ocean. Okay, let's go. La. So you say we have a 30-minute walk ahead of us? Oh my God, Dad, you'll have to carry me after some time. Okay, Dad, but again, why are we walking? What happened to our car? We had a car, right? Traffic jam, you say? Why is it traffic jam everywhere we go? You said that in Bangalore. But now that we are in Gokarna, it should be different, right? Dad, with your excuses. Oh, Dad, look, people. There are actual people. So I think we're not lost after all. Ooh. Mom, follow us. Come on, keep up. Okay, let's go. Mom, are you coming? I'm going with Mom, Dad. Daddy, where are we going again? Oh, the beach. I'm at the beach. Dig. I'm at the beach. Dig. Like my life depends on it. I'm at the beach. Dig. I'm at the beach. Dig. Like my life depends on it. Daddy, I'm tired. Can you take me? Lift me. How? It's only been like 15 minutes? No, that's 2 hours in dog years, you know. Are we there yet? We're there. Now this is what I call a view. Mom, extra large pop cup, please.